أشهد
أشهد
أن لا
أن لا
إله
إله
إلا
إلا
الله
الله
وأشهد
وأشهد
أن
أن
محمدا
محمدا
عبده
عبده
ورسوله.
ورسوله.
And I'm going to say in English, I bear witness
I bear witness
that there is no one
that there is no one
worthy of worship
worthy of worship
except
except
Allah.
Allah.
And I bear witness
And I bear witness
that Muhammad,
that Muhammad,
peace be upon him,
peace be upon him,
is his servant
is his servant
and messenger.
and messenger.
Allahu Akbar.